Cardinal Heating and Air Conditioning has always done the maintenance on the furnace in this house, and it became too old to save last year, so I had to get a new one. And I was able to talk to a service representative about different options for models of furnaces, and actually decided that an air conditioner would be the right thing to replace at that time as well. Everything was explained to me in terms of the options for how to make that best choice for this house and for my budget. And when they came to put in a new furnace and air conditioner, it went flawlessly. They were in and out of here very quickly, but with everything they did, you couldn't tell that they had been here. And that was very impressive to me. That's a lot of work to do and not even have a trace of you left behind. Yeah, that was last year, and so this year I had been interested in getting the duct work done, and I had actually talked to one of the representatives in the office, and she was extremely helpful in explaining to me how that worked, and then she sent me a video so I could take a look at it, which was great because then I understood what I was actually getting into with duct cleaning. And the day that the technician came, I was here all day and utterly impressed with the process. It was a lot of physical work, but he was extremely excited about it and happy to be able to help do such a valuable but underestimated type of service. I think it was a really good thing to do, and when I saw the result of what had come out of what was in these ducts for all those years, it was overwhelming and very worth the time and the money. And then recently I also needed some electrical work done. I had a really skilled, experienced technician come out, and he was also in and out of here very quickly with appropriate explanation of what was going on and adequate fees, and I felt that there was trust with what was being done. And something like electricity, you have to trust what's being done. Same thing with the furnace. And everything went really well. I have not had any disappointing experiences with all of the use I've had with Cardinal over the years, and so I wanted to make sure I could share that.